Tash, quick tutorial, how to scroll multiple spreadsheets at the same time in Excel. When working with large data sets in Excel, it's often helpful to view and scroll through multiple spreadsheets simultaneously. This feature allows you to compare data across different windows without the hassle of scrolling each one individually. Step-by-step guide to scroll multiple spreadsheets simultaneously. Step 1. Open a new window for your spreadsheet. Click on the View tab. Go to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. Create a new window. Click New Window. This will open another window of the same spreadsheet you're currently viewing. Step 2. Arrange the windows. Arrange All. With the two windows open, click on View again. Click Arrange All and select how you want the spreadsheets to be presented: tiled, horizontal, vertical, or cascade. For example, horizontal will place one spreadsheet above the other. Step 3. Enable side-by-side view. View side-by-side, go back to the View tab. Click View side-by-side to enable synchronized viewing of both spreadsheets. Step 4. Turn on synchronous scrolling. Enable synchronous scrolling. In the View tab, ensure synchronous scrolling is enabled. This feature ensures that scrolling one window will automatically scroll the other, allowing easy comparison of data. Summary. Open a new window. Go to View, New Window to create another window of the same spreadsheet. Arrange the windows. Use View, Arrange All to set the layout of your windows. View side-by-side. Enable View side-by-side for simultaneous viewing. Synchronous scrolling. Turn on synchronous scrolling to scroll both windows at the same time. Using this feature makes it easier to work with multiple spreadsheets in Excel and compare data effectively, saving time and effort.